Thanks for checking out our B2Bx demo, where we get you predictable marketing results. Does this sound like you? I need more leads, or I need digital to bring in new clients. I need strategy, or I need help with ROI and tracking results. We often hear this from clients saying, hey, we're spending money on digital marketing. We have a beautiful website. We have a great business. We're just not getting the ROI and the results. So really, you came to the right place. B2Bx can help you. Who is this for? B2Bx can help any business, but B2Bx is great for businesses with high average value per client or lifetime value per client, usually over $10,000 a year. Whether you're B2B or B2C, it generally works better with B2B because they have higher lifetime value per client. It works great if you have recurring business, and works especially great if you're looking for relationship-based clients. We'll start at the bottom of the pyramid. There's different levels of ROI. There's ROI where you don't really know it's important, you're drowning, and you constantly feel insecure or nervous. And this next level of ROI is where you do know that ROI exists, you're not sure how to measure it, you're hopeful, you're getting random ROI, but you're surviving. You need some education. Then you're getting by tracking ROI in a high level. You're frustrated because you feel like there's something missing, you're so close. What you need is a good strategy. And then lastly, in the top of the pyramid, you know how to track your ROI with amazing precision. You feel in control, confident, and independent. And what you need is support to execute and to scale your ROI. So we're here to walk you through our digital marketing support system, where we're going to take you from unknown ROI on the bottom there, and we'll take you all the way to the top to get you to amazing ROI with our 3 simple steps. First one is strategy, setting SMART goals so that you and your leadership team and everyone in your organization knows exactly where you want to go with your business. Once you have really SMART goals, everyone can row together to achieve those goals. Then you need to set your target. Who is your buyer? Be very specific. Go after one industry. Solve one pain for one specific person. Get to know that person like they're your family, and then you'll be able to craft messaging for them. Lastly, in the strategy phase, different competitors that are all going after the same business. How can you make yourself stand out? And you could do so by creating your unique value proposition so that you really don't have any competition at all. Once you have your foundation with your strategy, the jump to accountability. Once you have your goal set out, you have to meet with your accountability partner and your accountability team to review your goals every single week and every single month. Make sure that you're on progress, you're going to hit your goals. Along the way, you might have questions, you might get stuck. Don't get frantic, be confident because you know that you have a help desk team to support you. And as you're launching campaigns, you're not sure if you're going to get the ROI from it, so get educated by using our toolkits, which will help you tie ROI to all your campaigns. Once you have your resources set up, we'll help you implement technology to show you who is coming to your website so that you can reach out to them even if they don't contact you, what they're doing on your website so that you can increase your conversion rate and take the guesswork out of it. And lastly, you will feel super confident to drive the flood of traffic to your website. With this, you can get your leads and your calls and hit your annual goals. So that's our digital marketing support system. There's 3 steps to the B2Bx solution. There's strategy, technology, and help desk. We're going to walk you through strategy, and it starts with having a one-to-one call with a strategist. And this strategist is super experienced with B2B digital marketing and business. It's going to help you set your business goals and your budgeting, whether it's revenue, whether it's profit, what are your cost per acquisition, what's your cost per lead, what's your ROAS, and from there, we're going to help you define your audience. I often hear, hey, we're able to help everyone, but really find out who is your most profitable client that you currently have and that you want more of those. And then you can set your tactical strategy how to get there. And then lastly, what are the leading indicators? What are the metrics that you need to look at to know that you're going to hit your annual revenue goals? So we have a budgeting calculator that we created to help you walk through each step. There's 4 steps. And once you go through the calculator, you can email yourself the results. Then we have an excellent framework for creating your buyer persona, everything from their pains and their gains. And again, this is speaking to one specific person. And then you have what's your tactical strategy is, what channels are you going to use, and what are the key metrics that you're going to measure. And here's an example dashboard of measuring your key metrics every single month against target. In your accountability call, we're going to give you ideas and strategy on how you hit your goals. You can't read the label when you're sitting inside the jar. And when we're outside of the jar and when we're looking at your business from the outside view, we see things differently. So your accountability call with your digital marketing expert will help you not only stay accountable, but give you lots of ideas and innovation on how to hit your goal. The next set is technology. There's three pieces to technology. There's your website caller ID, there's your sessions recordings, and then there's your call tracking. What is website caller ID? This tells you exactly which companies are visiting your website, the names of the companies that are coming, and all the information about them. As you know, only 3% of people that come to your website in general will contact you, and there's another 96%, 97% that are potentials, and do you know who they are? So this technology at your fingertips, you have with the company name, their address, their telephone, their website, their industry, their employees, their revenue, and their social media icons as well. You can access their profiles. And you can go ahead and you can email yourself this information, you could send it, you can create an alert to know when they're coming back, and you can add notes. In addition, you'll also have the contacts working in each department of the organization to take out any guesswork so that you can click on details and see the email, add them to your email automation sequence, or cold email them. I guess you can go ahead and close that deal. Every single morning around 8 a.m., you get a live leads inside your inbox of all the companies that visited yesterday. You can set up a scoring system to highlight the companies that are most important to you. This takes out any guesswork. This helps amplify your marketing spend, especially if you're spending money on AdWords or on Facebook or on LinkedIn. This will tell you the names of the companies that are interested in your services. Once you get visitors to your website, what are they doing on your website? So we have the technology that will not only give you heat maps, but it will show you a recording of each individual user. It's going to provide their IP address, the referral source, the entry page, how much time and how many pages they went to, their devices, and what the source. And what this does is, this gives you a unique perspective as if you're standing over their shoulder. And many times you'll see how they're interacting with the website and what can be improved. In addition to that, when you have any forms on your website, especially your Contact Us form, many times they start filling out a form or potential and they'll drop off, they'll abandon your form. You can get an alert every single time that happens so that you can proactively follow up. Here's a 10-second video of someone going to our website, filling out the form, and then abandoning the form. And we were able to follow up with this person right away, get them on the phone, and close the deal for ourselves. There you have it. Our call tracking technology lets you hear exactly what your callers are saying to make sure that your sales team has the perfect script and that you can attribute a source to your call. So generally this is the big black hole of digital marketing tracking, where you're spending money on AdWords, on Facebook, on LinkedIn, you're spending money on SEO campaigns and affiliate campaigns, and they're coming to your website, but you don't know who's calling. So this takes out any guesswork. You can get a post-call notification with a transcription if you like. You can listen to the recording and you see a very specific source and a keyword in a campaign of where they came from. Every single morning you'll get, at 7 a.m., you'll get a report in your inbox that tells you how much traffic you got, how many calls, how many quote forms, how many leads total, what's your conversion rate, what was your spend on digital marketing, and what was your conversion rate. And the best part of this is that you can see it against a target. Many times you don't have context around your most important key performance indicators, your KPIs, and this lets you know. It's an alert system. Yesterday, was there any issues with the website? Did your marketing not perform? And then it gives you benchmarks that you can follow. Hey, how are we doing month to date? Are we going to hit our revenue goals by having enough leads in the pipeline? And this gives you handy graphs as well as additional metrics for each specific campaign that you're running. So there you go. We have that's the technology. And then the help desk is to help you with best practices, give you the direction you need when you get stuck, and provide you the toolkits to make sure that your campaigns have ROI tied to it. So whenever we speak on the phone, what we'll do is we'll audit your website, We'll audit your marketing campaigns and give you best practices. Sometimes it's small things and sometimes it's massive things. We often get questions about analytics or AdWords or email marketing. Hey, what should we do over here? And we'll be quick to respond to give you direction. And then lastly, our toolkits are absolutely amazing. These are our digital marketing briefs on how to execute campaigns. And what happens here is you add goals before you start the campaign, define your target audience, and what are all the steps in order for this campaign to be a success. So there you have it. And really this whole package, the digital marketing strategy is $500 a month, and the help desk is $500 a month, the toolkits are $250 a month, and the technology itself costs us $1,000 a month, which is $2,200 per month for this technology. And what we're doing today is we're offering you 63% off when you pay annually. That's $833 a month. Paid annually, it's $10,000. The space is limited, and so jump now to take advantage of this offer. And we often hear from our clients that are using it, we hear that they got the report and they're saying they reached out to the companies that came to their website, they left a voicemail, they got a call back, and what happened is they closed a monster-sized deal, $250,000 deal, just from knowing who's coming to their website. And we have so many stories. So really, what are the possibilities of how you can amplify your business, drive more leads, drive more clients by having a solid strategy? Go from struggling or just surviving, go to thriving, amazing precision ROI, and then you'll be taking advantage of all the opportunities possible. This is our team. We're happy to celebrate with you. So take some action, scroll down on the page, and let's go on this journey together. Thank you for watching.